Hi! Today we are traveling again, this time to Switzerland. With a population of barely around 9 million people, it's supposed to be one of the European countries in tip-top shape. The problem is that the way our itinerary goes, we are staying like a night or two in every city. So I don't know if I have time to check anything, but I'll do my best. La la la, la la la. La la la, la la la, la la. What is this? Oh my god, it's impressive. They have outlets on the walls of the streets. Is this actually an outlet? Ah, it's a single one. Nice. Dark and stormy night. I love the lightning and the thunder. What is situation? And we are in our hotel room. And of course, they have the hairdryer plugged in right beside the sink. So if you fill it up and throw the hairdryer in there, you should be fine. Because supposedly the whole thing is ground fault protected. Now, if I can only find the breaker box as usual. Yeah. Not in the room, is it? Oops. I guess we are going outside. What is this place? Where are they hiding all the breakers? So if you have watched my old videos, you should know what we should expect from European standard. They have trams, they have these cylindrical plugs, sometimes with a center tap for ground. Check, and the ground is there too. 230 volts. Check. 50 hertz. Double check. Sine wave, hopefully. Check. And for every apartment or house, they have this central ground fault protection. Here's another outlet. Oh my god. What? The whole thing came out? Okay, there is no wires in there. What is this for then? Is it just plugging a hole or something? Now I have to check and see if these outlets are live. Let's see. They are not live. There is nothing. Meh. I was thinking if they were live, if I would trigger the ground fault protection, would it turn off the whole building's power? I guess I can't check that now. And in the city, beside these electric tram wires, there is no other power lines running. I assume everything is running underground. Pretty nice and clean city. I mean, the only place I haven't searched is this suspicious ceiling there. Let's see what's in the ceiling there. Does it even open? Ooh, it opens. Electricity, but no breakers. Where are the breakers, man? This country is so damn expensive. It's a good thing Incogni is sponsoring this video.
Because the last thing you want is for your personal data to be available to public. Like how in US around 3 billion people's personal data was hacked. Wait. US population is only 330 million. Our contact info and social security numbers were stolen. They end up in data brokers to be sold to public. In US, you can pay a people's search site and get the available personal data on anyone. And it doesn't always end up in obsessive lovers stalking you at home. Crooks can scam you, use AI to mimic your voice and with your data, steal your identity and take a loan under your name or worse. But by law, these data brokers have to remove your data if you ask the hundreds of them out there forever, as your data keeps popping up again and again. Incogni saves you a ton of time doing this for you, knowing who to contact and how. Just visit my link in the description to sign up and use the code ElectroBOOM to get an exclusive 60% off an annual Incogni plan. You provide your information and allow them to act on your behalf, and bam! In their dashboard, see Incogni contacting tons of brokers and the progress of removing your data, and how much time Incogni saves you versus doing it yourself. So you can just sit back and feel safe. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so try Incogni. We are going to Baden. Yeah!
Where's all the electricity here, man? There's nothing to blow up.
Yeah! That's it! We are checking out of this room already, and I'm not gonna leave this room untested because I didn't find the fuse panel.
Especially since all the outlets in this room are older style. They don't even have the tamper-proof tiny doors in the holes.
Everyone can stick something in those holes. One of them being me. So I'm gonna place a 6.8 kilo ohms between live and neutral here for around 34 milliamps, more than 30 milliamps required to trip the RCD ground fault protection devices in Europe. I forgot which one is live, which one is neutral. Ready? Oh, gone! Well, at least the RCD ground fault protection works, so where's the door? The room still has power. It's only the washroom. Fascinating. Let's try here too. There you go. This one gone too. So this room has multiple separate ground fault protection, all of them functioning. I guess now I have to somehow call the concierge that I popped their breakers. Hey, I talked to the cleaning lady and she knew where all the breakers were, which are in this locked room. Unfortunately, oh yeah, it's open. Can I see? There you go. They're all here. Anyway, the power is back. Thank you, hotel room. We had fun. Let's go to the next stop. We are going to Lucerne. Yay! Beautiful city, no loose electronics inside. Even the ancient lights are LED. Although buildings are old, the electrical system must be pretty advanced. I can't even tell how they get power to these buildings. Remember Mexico City, where all the wires ran from the surface, all extension cords were handmade, and all the wire connections were just twisted wire with electric tape on them? Fun times. Everything is so impressively clean and in order here. We are going to Bern. Yo, our hotel room in Bern is quite new. A nice view. I don't expect
protected to have any problems. I truly hope our room's breaker is somewhere inside. What is that? There seems to be some secret compartment here. Okay, let's do it. Oh, what is that? Is it power or communication? Whoa, what is this? Some communication stuff? But this definitely looks like a breaker. What does the tiny blue button do? Yup, turned off. Is that the ground fault protection tester thingy? There you go, it's back. I feel safer sticking my resistor in the power line now. Ground fault test, let's do it. Done. And it's popped. Oh. It's not coming back? The hell? There must be something outside the room that's popped too. Why do they have 2 ground fault protection in series? Oh my god. I better put all these back together before someone comes and checks it. Maybe I can find the electrical room out here. What is this? Not this. Well, that was a bit stupid. Having 2 ground fault protection in series. Now I have to ask them to fix my breaker.
We are going to Grindelwald! Yeah!
It's all just beauty and nature. I'm starting to miss Mexico with all its electrical failures. There is not one bit of loose electricity in sight. Where's all the public safety violations when you need one?
Interlaken! Yeah!
Okay, our power is back, but I find it quite annoying and redundant to have 2 ground fault protections in series. What's the point? I guess I'm complaining for no reason. It's better to have more protection than less. I have a question. Perhaps the ground fault protection in the room has a lower current rating and pops at much less current than the one outside. Let's see. There's something right behind the breaker. I have to pop it. There you go. Don't worry about it. See, it says 0.03 amps or 30 milliamps. I ran 34 milliamps through it, so it's the same. I'm back to being frustrated. Why do we have 2 breakers? Both have 30 milliamp trip current in series. Well, I didn't find anything else to complain about in this country, so I guess I have this little thing to complain about. But the trip is not finished. Maybe I can find something. There might not be any power lines inside, but at least I found the grounding wire for this water spout. That's the only thing I could find. Sorry about that. What's going on here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's funny how people just float in the river to, I don't know where they're going. They just go with the water. I finally noticed an extension cord in a public location. It looks like a high power stuff. What type of connector is it? Where is it going? There it goes. What is this? It's a different type of connector. Damn it, I should have brought my multimeter.
We are going to Montreux?
Oh, I found a problem in Montreux. Look, ground wire disconnected from the water spout. I don't know what it does really. What?
Come on, Swiss, an ungrounded water spout? What's next?
An ungrounded manhole? What is it called?
Lausanne! Yeah! Damn it, in this hotel, all the outlets are recessed and my stupid North American to European adapter doesn't fit in there. I'm not gonna spend 100 francs to buy one of these. Fortunately, I have everything I need right here. I have one of these and I connect my alligator clips to the live and neutral side. Hey, this is not worse than the North American standard. This way we can plug multiple chargers into the outlet. Then I connect my alligator clips to the end of my multimeter probes. Hey, still there's no wires exposed. Then I shove my probes into the outlet. Oh. I think this is one of those don't do it at home type of stuff. These probes should both either be in or out at the same time. If only live is in, the electricity goes through the chargers to the other side, and if you accidentally touch it, it's gonna hurt. So don't do it. Well, since I don't want to spend 100 francs, I plug them both in and maybe put something behind it to push it inside to make sure the probes don't fall. Ha! Now everything is getting charged. Another hotel room, another lack of breaker box in the room. Hidden behind the walls of oppression. And the safe batteries are dead too. Let's see. Yeah, the safe needs 4 AA batteries. I assume they're dead. I can cut the wires and connect it to my USB charger, but then I won't be able to close the door, would I? You know what? My drone battery is like 7.3 volts. If I can connect my alligator clips to it, I can leave the battery in the safe and lock it.
میگم باتریشو عوض کنم.
Okay, fine.
Gruyere! Yeah!
We were barely in the hotel room, but it doesn't stop me from testing the ground fault protection. Make sure you're all safe here. Now this one has to have the tamper-proof doors. Fine. First, plug this into those local doors. Unplug my ground. Carefully connect the patch. And plug into earth that is the center. Oh, there you go. Already popped. Another safe hotel room. Although the washroom didn't pop, the rest of the room did. It's interesting. It seems in Switzerland they have different sets of ground fault protection. Well, not in the previous hotel. That one, everything popped together. Things are different in different places.
Vevey!
Yeah!
We are going to Geneva! Woo!
We are in our Genevian hotel, and look, they even provide the much needed adapter for Europe to North American stuff. I don't need to stick my probes into the outlet anymore. Although for some reason, their outlets here are not recessed at all, so I could use my own flimsy adapter on these. Our hotel is right beside United Nations. Maybe I can bring peace to the world while I'm here. After seeing these outlets in Switzerland and how in most cases there is 3 outlets in a circle, each 120 degrees rotated, it makes me feel like these each are a phase of a 3-phase system. For the next live, we have... Nope. I guess the use case would be limited and they would have to run many more wires for 3 phases. But it would have been cool. Let's see if I can find the breaker box in this room. Nope. There is something again. What is going on up there? Let's check the hallways. There seems to be nothing. What is this? Here. Look at that. These are the breakers. I found them. It's locked. I can't get into it. Damn it. Maybe I shouldn't be in here. Let's go. I guess all is left for me to do is to test the ground fault protection, and as usual I suspect it is fine. There you go. It's popped. Everything's gone this time. The air conditioner is off, the washroom is off. It's interesting. It works fine everywhere. Let's go tell the reception I popped the breaker.
Annecy! Yeah!
For our last leg of road trip, we are staying in Francais. Let's see what they have to offer. This is Annecy. I'm starting to like Francais. They look a little bit more questionable. Yes, definitely compared to Switzerland, you definitely see more things running on the surface. Everything is so exposed. Look at these outlets. And it's interesting. The ground is an outie, not an innie. France has so much to offer. Too bad we are here only for a day and a half. I mean, look at all this rubbish. Anyone used this before?
ice cream is already half price compared to Switzerland. Things are looking way up. They have outlets sparingly on the walls of restaurants, and it runs at 236 volts.
We are going to Lyon, France!
Here's our room in Lyon. It's interesting. The French standard is different. Look at this. I was always wondering what is this nonsense about. This is for the outy grounds. Do they have a breaker in the room? Or is it in this secret room? Outlets in the hallways. Do I have time to check the ground fault? There is so much to test. There is so much to do. Extension cords are hanging from everywhere. Oh my God, France. Are you teasing me? Okay, I'll come back. Make sure to subscribe for when I return to France to test it. For now, I guess all I can do is sightseeing and eat good food. I'll come back for you, France.